I tried using AI to make money for 7 days. Here are the honest results. No fake screenshots, no guru nonsense. Day 5 is where it finally clicked. Days 1 and 2, I used Claude to write a small digital product, a prompt pack. The result? The writing took an hour. The hard part wasn't writing. It was deciding what people would actually pay for. Day 3, Ideogram for the cover and the graphics. The result? It looked professional in minutes. Zero sales yet, because nobody knew it existed. Day 4, I made short videos with ElevenLabs narration and CapCut to point people to it. The result? A few hundred views. One clip did better than the rest. The pattern that always repeats. Day 5, I leaned into what worked and posted more of it. The result? The first sales came in, small but real, and from content that keeps working after I stop. Days 6 and 7, Descript to repurpose the winners into more clips. The result? More reach from the same work. The closest thing to compounding. The honest takeaway? AI is a lever, not a lottery. It makes the work faster. It doesn't skip the work. Every tool I used is linked below. Subscribe if you want the real version, not the hype.